The Haitian Creole saying Lave, Siye Atè literally means wash your hands and then wipe them on the ground. The point of this expression is to show that something is pointless or even counterproductive. And now for some examples.
Siye, li di m li vle pedi poa, men li manje an ban bonbon chak jou. Lave Siye Atè. Occupé monsieur.
Baka kwe li meti lunettes soleil nan fe noir pou ka we pi bien. Ah, lave men Siye Atè.
Alright, so the key thing to remember is that anything that you find pointless or counterproductive, you can use that as an opportunity to use the expression Lave Siye Atè when you are speaking with others in Haitian Creole.
For more videos and lessons, please subscribe and visit howtocreole.com.